Yo, what's up, you guys? In this video, we're going to be comparing all of the most popular different investing apps and which one is my favorite. So that means Webull. We're also going to be comparing Robinhood with it, and also we're going to be looking at the Moomoo investing app. I just got this one just about a year ago, but I have owned Webull and Robinhood for 3+ years, so I feel I have a very unbiased opinion on which one is the best. And to be honest, each one of these apps are best at their own little thing. So I'm just going to kind of do this in order here. We're just going to start with the Webull app, then we're going to go to Moomoo, then we'll go to Robinhood. So yeah, if this is what you're into, make sure you drop a like on the video. It really would help me out a lot. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So here we are on Webull, and this is the app I spend the most amount of time on because it's the most useful to me. And that's because of all the tools they have that they give completely for free. So if you want to download Webull and not even deposit any money, this is why you would want to do it, because of all the awesome stats that they give you completely for free. Like if you just click this little thing in the top right, it lets down this little thing. You can see the dividend yield, the PE ratios, but more importantly, you can head over here to the companies and you can look at all of their different financials. The cash flow per share, which is my absolute favorite metric to look at because it's the free cash flow per share. And since it's per share, it includes stock-based compensation, but there's also EPS, which is net income per share. But anyway, and you can also click on it and you can see the whole entire cash flow statement as well as the balance sheet and the income statement. But you can also make your own little custom screener like I have here. So I combined all my little favorite metrics, and they're very good with screeners. Like I have all of my different watch lists at the top here. I literally have so many different watch lists. Like this one are all the self-storage REITs I kind of compare them to. I have them all on my watch list here, but that's really what I like to do with this app. I love deep diving into companies' financials on here. And it also, there's news about every stock. You can see what are the most popular articles about it or whatever. Here's the options chain if you wanted to look at that. But I will say Robinhood is the best if you want to just do options, because the options chain can be complicated for new investors. It was for me, at least. It was very complicated. So that's why if you wanted to do options, I recommend you head over to Robinhood because that's the best app. So if we go back to where you can see their financials, you can go to their press release and you can click financials right here and you can see their 10Q, and you can also click profile and you can see the company. You can click on it and you can read about what the entire company does. And also if there's the industry, and if you head down here to shareholders, you can click on this down here and you can see what are the most popular ETFs that hold this stock or your stock. You can check out any single one. So this random ETF right here owns 4.2 thousand shares of DocuSign stock. So yeah. So we're on the watch list tab at the bottom. We can switch over to the markets tab and we can see what's the markets are doing, and they have all the different sectors broken down right here. If you wanted to click on real estate, they'll show you all the different REITs or the REIT ETFs and what stocks are going up today. They just have so many fun facts and tools that no other app really has, and that's why I really like them. And also you can see a bunch of comments. Like the comment section is crazy for a bunch of stocks. Like let's head over to Tesla. Like look how many people comment just on Tesla, for example. There's so many just random comments, and there's always comments on your favorite stock as well. All right, so now I wanted to talk about the Moomoo investing app, which if you don't know, for my channel, if you want to subscribe, I make portfolio updates on my Moomoo account all the time. And once I buy a stock in here, I will never sell it no matter what. So right now, these are all the stocks in my buy and never hold portfolio. But anyway, let me show you all of my favorite features that the Moomoo investing app has. So right now, you can deposit and get 5.10% APY. And what's cool about that is Webull does not offer that, and Robinhood offers that, but you have to pay $5 a month to get it. So I believe that Moomoo has the highest yielding cash sweep program. But anyway, let me go and show you some of my favorite features. So if we just click on any random stock here, like this oil and gas stock, EOG Resources, oh yeah, we can see where we bought our stock at. And if we look, it looks very similar to Webull, like at the top here, all these different things, because this app is also owned by the same people who own Webull. They're a publicly traded company known as ticker symbol FUTU, and Robinhood's also public, ticker symbol HOOD. But anyway, let me show you some of my favorite features about this app. We can click down here and we can click trend projection. And if you believe in technical analysis, we can kind of see, and we can do this for any stock, what is most likely going to happen with the trend. And that's just one of the cool features. If we go down here, click these three bars in the bottom right, and we click this versus compare right here, we can click plus and we can compare it to all these other popular stocks in the same industry. It kind of calculates which one is like the biggest competitor. You can compare all these different cool stats like the market cap of all of them, the PE ratios and how they compare. So imagine comparing Dollar General to Dollar Tree with this, or just your stock to your favorite competitor. You can see all these different insanely cool metrics that no other app really has. All these comparison tools. Webull doesn't have all this, and especially laid out so simply. So that's another reason I really like Moomoo. And if we head over here, Webull doesn't offer this. You can see what their revenue breakdown is. We can see where are their most popular sales from. As we can see, all their sales come from the United States, except for a little bit from Trinidad. But we can see it breaks it down for us, which is really cool. And if we head over here, they also have data from S&P Global. We can see the estimates, the EPS estimates, the EBITDA estimates, all that different kind of stuff, which is really useful to know as an investor. And we can see that they've been beating their estimates each time. And if we head over here to the dividends tab, we can see what their payout ratio is, and we can see kind of the history of them growing it. But their dividend yield is 2.65%, and that payout ratio, this is based off net income. It's not looking at free cash flow, but the payout ratio is 25.38% of the net income. All right, so now we are here on the Robinhood investing app. And if you get Robinhood Gold, which will cost you $5 a month, they will match you 3% on your IRA or your Roth or whatever, but they will match you 3%, which is really crazy. But I want to show you some other really cool features about this app. So if we head over here to Tesla, for example, this stock trades 24/7, or not on the weekends, but it literally starts trading on Sunday at 8 p.m., these 24-hour stocks. And there's actually a lot of volume in the overnight market, or at least for the most popular stocks. And they have a huge list of stocks that trade overnight. But anyway, these stocks are kind of like crypto now. They literally have so much volume that they trade 24/7. And all the most popular mega caps are as well. And even some stocks that you wouldn't think trade 24/7 actually do. Like if we head over here to public storage, this one actually trades on the overnight market. So that means you could buy a share at 1 a.m. if you wanted to, if the stock has liquidity. Oh yeah, and also Robinhood lets you invest in crypto if you wanted to. These are all the tradable ones. They have actually a pretty big list of tradable cryptos right now. Wow, I didn't realize this. Look, the crypto market ain't doing great as of the time of recording this. All the cryptos are down 5% right now, but you can invest in crypto if you wanted to in here. And of course, they also have options, which I'll show you how easy the options are. They make it so simple. You just click trade and then trade options. And then you literally just pick, is the stock going to go up or down? You can click which one, or if you think the price will stagnate. But they give you a bunch of different options, and they make it super simple for you to understand. They even visualize it as you're buying the call here. You can put in your bid-ask spread, how much you want to pay for it, but they show you your estimated profits if the stock is at that price at the time of expiration. You can kind of calculate how much you'll make. But here's also another downside in Robinhood. There is not many details about the company. Like, this is literally it. These are the only stats you get. You can't click on more details. Oh, Robinhood actually just added this feature, which is really cool, but you can kind of see what the insiders are doing, the hedge funds, and what are Robinhood users doing with that stock. So you can even view the details of it. But that's about it. There's a little bit analyst expectations, and you can see people also own whatever other stocks. But yeah, you can't edit the charts either. Actually, if you click this little expand button up here, you can get all these different stats right here. But all these stats are literally it. You can't draw on the chart like Webull. Oh, I forgot even to mention that. There's so many different cool tools with Robinhood. You can change the candle style. This is it. You can click candlestick or line, and the stock looks like that. But yeah, I couldn't possibly go over every single feature of every app in this video. So if you leave a comment, I'll respond to every single one to try and help you guys out. And if you want to support me, I'll leave affiliate links to all these different apps in the description. Like if I refer one person to Robinhood, you literally just get $5. So it's not that much. But if you want to download any of the apps in the description, I'll have the affiliate links in the description below. You get free stocks if you use my affiliate code with all these, I assume. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.